Ibrahim Raisi has won the 2021 presidential election of which country? Iran. 1098-carat diamond has been discovered by researchers, which is deemed to be the world's third largest diamond ever found. The diamond has been recovered in which country? Botswana. Which of the following states/union territory has launched the Jahan Vote Wahan vaccination program? Delhi. Who released the General Elections 2019 and Atlas? Election Commission of India. Which ministry has released the Desertification and Land Degradation Atlas of India? Ministry of State for Environment, Forest and Climate Change. What is the theme of World Refugee Day 2021? Together we heal, learn and shine. Which country has topped the World Competitiveness Index 2021? Switzerland. What is the rank of India in the World Competitiveness Index 2021? (43). How many states/union territories achieved 100% level of birth registrations? (14). Which digital solutions company has been recognized as the Global Innovation Partner of the Year by Snowflake? Larsen & Toubro Infotech. Guru Prasad Mohapatra, who has passed away, was serving as a top bureaucrat in which department of central government? Department of Industry and Internal Trade. The government has targeted to reduce road accidents deaths by 50% by which year? (2024). Which ministry issued a notification for a common format of the PUC? Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. The World Refugee Day is observed on which day? June 20. Under which project the Defense Minister has dedicated to the nation 12 roads built by BRO? all of these